Yo, so I'm gonna make a video on demand, and so basically on demand is a free tool. It's a really great tool on TOS which allows you to replay the trading session for any day. So let's say, so I'm gonna click on demand here, right? So let's say I want to play the trading session for September 14th. So I'm gonna click on September 14th, 2021, right? And then go and then I could also adjust the time here, um, right, in order to like actually trade as if I were trading on September 14th. So usually what I do is set the time to 9 a.m. Because that's when I'm making my plans. That's when I'm deciding what zones to play and stuff like that. So I'm gonna make a live plan right now and show you guys what goes through my head when I'm making these zones, and then I'm gonna also trade this session, right? So I'm on a daily chart, right? I see higher highs on a daily chart. I also see a trend line right here, right? Right. So basically just higher highs, higher lows, right? And then I go to a 4 hour and then I start doing my zones, right? So here on a 4 hour, you see this chop right here, right? So this choppy area, right? I see this, right? And then, okay, so let me check if I have any demands or below. This is a demand. Is this on a daily demand? Check. Oh, what happened here? So yeah, so sometimes what happens is on demand is really glitchy sometimes. So basically you can see a candle going down and then immediately goes back up. So kind of glitchy in that sense, but still pretty good, right? Okay, so I don't see no demand zones here. Okay. Let me go to 3 hour. 3 hour, there's a 3 hour supply zone. This is a really great supply zone, right? And that's the other thing, right? When you're drawing supply and demand zones, you should make sure that the supply and demand zones are quality, right? So for example, this right here is a quality zone, right? Because we had a rally, a basing period, and then a drop followed by an upper break. So this is a really quality zone, and I'm gonna pay attention to this zone, right? So, okay, 3 hour, 2 hour, let's see. So 2 hour, yeah, I do see this demand zone. It's very used, very, very used. Let's see, 2 hour, right? Okay. And then, so when price is close to a zone, I'm gonna usually mark a box, right? Uh, okay. And then let me go to a 1 hour. I think this should be a good zone. Yes, right here. So here, oh my God. Yeah, yeah, on demand sometimes can be really bad, but okay, so 1 hour right here. Let me check if I missed anything on the 2 hour zone. 3 hour. I don't see a zone here, but this is definitely an area where sellers were present. So I'm gonna mark it for take profit if I'm long. Uh, duplicate drawing. So what I did for to save time, I just duplicated the drawing. So I right clicked, duplicate drawing, and then you have it there. So. Okay, so on the 1 hour, I see prices rejecting this 1 hour supply zone. Let's see, 90 minute. Ooh, that's a really good 90-minute zone. Uh, I don't know if I should mark it because it didn't complete it yet, right? So basically what happened was we dropped down to the zone and then we rally and then there's an upper break. I'm not gonna mark it. 45 minute, nah. So this is a zone to pay attention to. So here's what I'm thinking right now, right? So in pre-market, what's happening is yes, it is. Oh, goddamn. So in pre-market, what happened was ES, right, dropped, based, then rallied. And now what it's doing is finding value in this 2 hour zone, right? And it actually double bottom in this 2 hour zone. We rallied higher. Now we're rejecting this 1 hour zone, right? So it's real. This zone is really critical. So here's what's gonna happen, right? I'm gonna either watch for a pullback into the 2 hour zone, or either see for buyers to step in based in this supply zone and then rally higher to this 3 hour 44975 supply zone where I'm going to look at is as a target, right? So I'm gonna open a 5 minute. So here's the mistake I was making. I was using the 1 minute a lot, and for me, 1 minute is so many fake outs. Like I've been faked out like a million times now. So I'm not gonna use the 1 minute, right? So I'm gonna use a 5 minute, and I'm going to use my V-ball, right? Yeah, I'm gonna remove these EMAs. So here, so as we are developing through the days, yes, you can make plans throughout the day. Yes, you can make quality plans. You can make, thousands of plans. But the thing is, you really have to understand market context. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to 3:30, right? So I'm gonna speed up the time to 3:30 on TOS, and let's see. So here. So usually what happens is it on demand is it's for me on my computer it's usually laggy and it takes time to like uh, um, go back to its normal state. So just bear with me if it takes time. I'm really sorry about this. It's just my computer or I don't know TOS issues or something. So okay, so market open. Okay, so what I'm seeing is heavy buying pressure here on the 4475 price here on the 4.550. Yes, 57 lots, 82 lots, which you can multiply by 100 actually, because this is let's see. Okay, so I really need buyers to step in above this pre-market high to really be long. What I'm seeing though is have very heavy rejection right here. But again, I made a mistake and I used to play the 5 minutes. I'm not gonna play it. Even if price comes to here, right? I'm not gonna FOMO it, right? It's just I'm gonna wait for this candle to close, right? So okay. Actually, I'm gonna fast forward it to 35 as I'm still I did 34 actually, so that I can be prepared. Um, okay. So okay, heavy selling pressure, right? Um, I really I really don't want to trade the 5 minute right now. It's just too much right now for me. I'm actually gonna load up puts just in case. I'm gonna go to. So realistically, I have a $1,500 account, so I'm gonna play as if I'm playing $1,500, right? So I'm gonna go to 5. Yeah, I think 4 would be good. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so we're coming up. Okay. 4471 is heavy selling. Okay. The 4471 area is really giving trouble. So I can. So we have a lower high from this pre-market. We didn't break the high. Let's see if this fails. If this rally on this 5 minute fails. So here, if you were short on this during this for first 5 minutes, and you see this green candle gonna help your emotions, right? Because you see this green candle coming up, and you're like, oh shit. So that's why I don't like playing the first 5 minutes. It's just a gamble, right? So I'm gonna wait, see. And also, so from going on, I'm just gonna trade SPY. I just don't like QQQ. It's just for me on QQQ option, I just lose too much. On SPY, I don't lose that much. So, all right, let's see. So prices can't go higher. Uh, I might enter in here. Oh wow, damn, that's heavy. Yeah, I'm gonna enter. All right. My stop would be this. The 447712 area. First, so my first profit target, I'm actually gonna scale out one, two actually. I'm gonna put a visual, or not visual, visual here. If it doesn't work out, I'm gonna, of course, still publish this because I mean, so the confirmation that you right now is lower highs. That's 5. we didn't break this pre-market high. My stop is above this, right? Because this is where we were high of day and then kind of resistance right here. So if we break this, I'm gonna be really bullish and I might look to play calls if we break this. So, but right now is this lower high, heavy selling pressure. The time and sales just showed an 80 lot buy on the 4472 area. So I'm just gonna wait, right? My first target. Actually, let me see in SPY what happens. On this. So if I see on SPY, well, 80, but yeah. Actually, no, I'm gonna wait. Let me check the 15-minute actually. It's really important to go through your time frames and see what's going on. So yeah, I'm seeing this rejecting, and I had confirmations, right? But really gotta own it. So I'm really confident in this. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. I'm gonna be mad or so. So see, I'm gonna fast forward this just to save time. Okay, so we did. Okay, so we did reject. So I'm gonna put a true limit on 80. I think I'm gonna see where my option contracts are. I think it would be the 178. Yeah, it takes time. When you fast forward or like move backwards on demand, it just takes time. So, yep. So I'm gonna. Whoa, what happened here? See, that's the thing with on demand. Um, okay, so I just sold two on 178. Theoretically, if I was seeing it in real time, I'm gonna have. So okay, just let me see. So I'm just gonna put a break even on here. Don't don't try to set your stop at once. Don't try to put your break even stop into the price you purchased your option contract on, because when you do hit here, so when you buy an option contract, you of course give some commissions to the broker. So when you put a stop on break even, right, you're still gonna lose $16, right? Um, because you just, so you broke even on the option contract. So basically, you sold it at the price you bought, and then you also lost 65 cents if you're on TOS per contract, right? So I'm gonna fast forward this. Okay, the other thing, when price reaches VWAP, right? I hope I can see this in real time. So I've been seeing this a lot, right? So when price reaches VWAP, right? Scale as soon as you can, because I've seen a lot of times price come at VWAP and immediately show some acceptance at the VWAP area, right? So what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna sell one instead of two, right? So I'm gonna sell one here, and then what I'm gonna do is okay. So this got filled one. So I'm gonna put a stop. Yeah, actually, yeah, 172 fine. So I just put a stop here. Actually, might be in case. Okay, so here I'm not gonna lose anything, even if price decides to go below, right? Um, if price comes to my break-even area, right? So basically 172 area, it's gonna stop me out. Let me fast forward this to 55. Oh, okay. And that is why I say to actually, just let your winners run, right? So now my winner is going to be the 2 hour demand, or actually, if I had seen this big candle, I would have scaled out instantly, because you don't want to lose because your target was like 5 points away, right? So just yeah, my target is 2 hours. Just I'm happy, right? And it's close to the 2 hour. It might reverse, it might not. Who knows, right? So I'm going to actually scale out. I'm happy. Let's see. Is it okay? Yeah, I'm just gonna. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, I mean that was pretty much it. How much did that make? I don't know. Yeah, $122 or one. Yeah, I don't know. Whatever. It's not about the money; it's about the profits. So the confirmations right here were and then that's the other thing, right? You have to wait for the 5 minute candle to close, right? You have to really wait, right? If you don't wait, you're just gonna get ripped. In my opinion, though, that's what I've seen on my journal. So, and that's the other thing, right? You also have to understand market context. You can make plans whenever you want, whatever you want, but you know, just during the day, what's happening? Are we making lower highs? Are buyers showing strength in the supply zone? Are sellers are showing strength in the demand zones, right? So my confirmations here were we made a lower high, right? And we failed to get above this high, right? And in a supply zone. So yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know. Like I said, I'm not good at explaining things. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know and peace out.